Hey folks, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Captain James Nelson here with this one. Check it out. So, my good buddies Mike and Jeffrey sent this to me. It is an actual Gibson Grabber 1974 that unfortunately after 50-something years, the neck decided it was done. So we made a new one. That's right, scarf joint and all. So it's pretty cool. And we even put a little bonus beta with the 3-piece, the skunk stripe looking kind of a thing with the walnut. But most importantly, it plays, and that's what this demo is about. It plays well, I'm not saying I do. So there you go, guys. Got your guitar all ready set up for you. Well, bass guitar. I call them guitars. To me, it's a guitar. Got a 5-string coming up here pretty soon. But anyway, so there you have it. It's ready to go. I would like to make more videos on instruction on what I do as far as intonation and setup and things like that. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more video content along that route. That would be great. Thanks again, folks, for tuning in to Dude Crafts Guitars, and have yourself a great weekend.